everyone. We are students from IFTI International College Penang. This video is for our subject that are Rapid Application Development. In our group, there will be 3 members that are David Onglibwe, Lee Ji Cheng, and Hiazukai. The purpose of this video is for explanation of our website that are reviewed in our assignment. So we will start with the David Onglibwe.
I'm David, and now I will present the startup of the website. So our website will start up with the login form, and the application will ask the user for the email and also password. And if the email and password text box is empty and the user click on the login button, the error message will show up and ask the user to input. And for example, if the user enter the invalid email type, the application will ask the user to enter the valid one. So we try the valid one, but unregistered one. So it will alert the user that login failed because it doesn't consist any related data in the database. So the user need to register at the register page. And same as the login, every text box is required. And now we use the assisted credential. And after login, the user will be bring to the home page and their name will be show up. And for the about page, it will have a brief about the store. And in the contact page, it will consist of the address of the physical store and also the phone. And for the customer support, the email will be provided, and when the user click on it, it will direct the user to the email application to send the request to the customer service.
Hello everyone, my name is Lee Ji Cheng. So now I want to present this our online bookstore website of the book purchasing process. So this is the cart page. So before we didn't log in or register any account, we place order. It will have a error message to call us to log in. So let's begin. Okay, then we enter our email and enter our password and press login. So the homepage will prompt out our names, so we can continue click this card. Then also when the card is empty, we press the place order button. It will also prompt this error message called empty card. So it will remind the user that we didn't add any card. So it will directly to this store page to let the user add the book that they want to buy. So let us add some book. So we choose the first one, add the second one, add, and the third one, add. So we can click the card from the navigation bar, and then we can place the order. So it will prompt out the payment details to call us complete our purchase by providing us the payment details. So the first one is email address. We can key in our email, and then card details. We can key in our card details, and then card whole name. We can also key in our card whole name. So let's enter some. So billing address also can enter. Okay. So if we didn't enter any, if we empty the text box, it will prompt the error message. So we must need to enter some words. So it work. Then we press the pay button. then pay successfully. Then we can press OK. Apart from that, we can press the card again from the navigation bar. We can, we can go to the store button from the navigation bar and then add some book like the last one, add the last one book. Then go back to the card. We can clear the card. So press clear again. Again. Then this empty card. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yazukai, and in my part, I will be presenting the admin page. So as shown on the website, in the admin page, it only has the login button. It does not have any register button because it does not allow the client to create an admin account. So as shown on the website, all the text will be required to input valid input, and the information is required for all text box. So let us log into the account first. So the admin required to fill out their email and password, and when they log into their account, they will see 4 main categories that are customer, book, customer data, and book data. So let's get into the first category first, that are customer. So in the customer page, the admin will require to input their ID, mail, password, name, address, and contact number to create an account. So while the admin input all valid information, they could click on the create button, and a message will show in the above that say successfully created. So the client then can go into the login page and then fill up the information that they fill up in the admin page, and then click on the login. Then they will log into their own account. So let us continue with the admin page. The second category are the books. So we will go into the books first. So as shown on the book, it requires the admin to fill out their book ID, book title, quantity, author, and price. So after admin has input all valid information, they could click on the insert button. Then it will prompt a message say successfully saved into the database. Yeah, as shown on the website, it will be input into the store page. So let's just go into the third category. The third category are the customer data. In the customer data, it will show all the customer that we have in our website. So it will show their ID, their email, name, address, and their contact number. So admin may find the customer easier. The last category of it is the book data. So in the book data, they will have the book ID, book title, book quantity, author, and book price. So the admin may check on the stock easily. So the last function I would like to share is about our delete function. So as you can see that in our customer data, there will be that row data that calls 778 customer ID. So we're gonna delete it right now. So the admin may click on the customer and then enter the ID of it, then click on the delete function. Then it will be a message called successfully deleted. So let's just check on it. So back to the customer data, as we can see that the data is being deleted. The next delete function I would like to try is our book delete function. So as you can see that in this website, there will be a row of data called 556 book ID. So we're gonna delete it right now. So the admin may click on the book and then enter the book ID for it. Then click on the delete button. Then it will show a message called successfully deleted. Then when we check on it, So inside the book data, we can see that the data is being deleted successfully. So in the store, it will be deleted also. Okay. So the next thing I would like to share is our database of online bookshop. So as we can see that in our online bookstore, there will be 5 tables that call book, customer order, payment, and staff. So let us look on the first table that are book. So as we can see that inside the book table, there will be the book ID as the primary key, followed by book title, book quantity, author, and book price. Next, let us look on the second table that are customer table. So as we can see that inside the customer table, there will be the customer ID as the primary key, followed by customer email, customer password, customer name, customer address, and their contact number. So the third table is the customer order table. Inside the customer order table, there will be order ID as the primary key, followed by customer ID as the foreign key. Then we have the detail and the price. So the next one we will look into is the payment table. As you can see that inside the payment table, there will be non-primary key, and then it will have date time, card number, and order ID as front key. The last table we will look into is the staff table. So as we can see that inside the staff table, it will have the staff ID as the primary key, followed by staff name, staff email, staff password, staff address, and staff contact. Okay.
Apart from that, for the web development application, we have used this Visual Studio 2019 for the web development. So we have used several languages to build the website. So the first one is this CSS. One of the example is this style. Okay, we have used this for the formatting the website. So next, we have used the HTML. So these are the example of the HTML method that we have used for our website. So furthermore, we have used JavaScript. One of the example for the JavaScript language we have used is like this example to prompt out the message of the alert for the user to know that they are successfully saved. So totally of this, we have used the ASP.NET.
And for the database connection, we have used the command inside the code of developing the web application. And for example, like this command is to insert the data retrieved from the text box and insert into the database using this command, the insert statement. And besides that, after the insert, it also has the update statement to update the data in the table. And that is also the delete statement to delete the data in the database. Yeah.
So that's all for our tutorial video of our web application for Rapid Application Development Assignment 2. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.